Additive manufacturing is such an exciting technology for us. It's allowing our engineers to go from idea to hardware in just a blink of an eye. It is accelerating the pace of innovation.
I think what Stratasys brings to ULA is really that entire package, being able to bring the materials, the technologies, the machines, and that's very, very powerful.
This is such an exciting time to be at ULA. We are in the process of transforming our company to enable this bright future in space. Additive manufacturing is a giant paradigm shift for our industry in conceiving parts, bringing them rapidly through qualification, and getting them onto that launch pad.
Stratasys is making a huge impact on our production and our operations today by creating the opportunity to have custom-built tools, cutting cycle time down, and it's creating a great cost savings for us.
When we see these big savings and huge cycle time reductions, we're really only tapping just the top of that iceberg. We have set out to cut the price of lift in half and to cut the time it takes to build and fly a rocket in half as well. Stratasys has been such a fantastic partner. They've come in, they've sat down with my people, and they've worked together with us.
It isn't unusual to see something that would have been 3 or 4 months in the past now be well within a 10-day period. We're able to print these parts out of Ultem polymer for about 90% savings, or 10% of the cost we were paying for these parts in the past.
We have been able to work with Stratasys to bring parts into our factory as tooling and support equipment to help us build the rockets. Now we are taking our first additively manufactured parts into space on the rocket. And we are developing a new rocket, the Vulcan rocket, which will have an even higher content of additively manufactured parts. I don't think we could have done that nearly as quickly with any other partner. What is really going to come about and fundamentally change the way this type of work is done is when we begin to design differently to take full advantage of the flexibility that additive manufacturing can bring. When that occurs, everything's going to change. ULA is America's ride to space, and Stratasys is a big part of that.